Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and this time it is from HIPDOT. I'm super excited because if you guys saw the title, I did order the SpongeBob palette, so I'm super excited. I actually ordered this last week, a day before they launched the palette on the website. Alright, so let's open it up. Hopefully it's not broken because it's in a bag instead of a box. So this is what it looks like inside. It comes with a card, and it is the SpongeBob card. Look at that, super cute. It says,
"Welcome to the world of Bikini Bottom beauty. In celebration of 20 years of SpongeBob, HIPDOT has created this limited edition ocean-inspired makeup collection just for you. Hope you enjoy. XOXO Team HIPDOT."
So this is what it looks like. This company is cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, and
phthalates-free. Phthalates. I can't pronounce that word.
but it's this one right here. Hopefully it focuses. But anyways, I'm super happy that I finally have my SpongeBob palette because I'm obsessed with SpongeBob. I even have this shirt on right now. I actually got this shirt in Mexico like 7 years ago already. This guy was selling shirts in El Rancho for only 12 pesos, which is like $1. So I got it because I love SpongeBob. Anyways, so let's see what else is in here. They sent me 2 stickers. Look at that, super cute. HIPDOT and another HIPDOT sticker. Super cute, ignore my ugly nails. And here is what I ordered. I ordered 2 products. I'm super excited. So this is the first time I ordered from HIPDOT. I've never ordered from them, and I didn't even know this brand existed till last month when I got a notification from Google saying that they were gonna release a SpongeBob palette, and then that's how I found them. And here is the magic conch. I don't know how they do it. But anyways, here is my SpongeBob palette. Look at it, it's so cute. I love how it looks. In the back, there's Gary. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And there's like jellyfish right there. So on the back it says Nickelodeon Bikini Bottom Eyeshadow Palette. Get hooked on these 15 shades from the deep blue sea, inspired by your favorite yellow sponge, SpongeBob SquarePants, and all his friends. Let's just say everyone this side of Bikini Bottom will have their eyes on you. So I'm super excited and happy that I got this palette. Oh my gosh, it's exactly the same. I'm super happy. I am going to keep the box though because I love SpongeBob. And now let's look at the palette. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh my god, look at these beautiful colors. Look at that, you guys, so pretty. And I love the big mirror, and I love that it has SpongeBob in the corner right here. It's super cute. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. I'm not even going to want to touch it, but I will, don't worry. Oh, and it did come with a little plastic thing, but it got stuck in the top. It comes with 15 shades. 5 of these shades are matte and 10 of these are shimmers. I'm just going to be showing you guys the swatches today, and tomorrow I will be uploading a look with this palette. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so before I begin with the swatches, let me show you the other thing that I got from the same SpongeBob collection. So I decided to pick up the 3-pack lip gloss set because I'm obsessed with lip gloss as well. And so here it is. It comes in this cute little package here. It has SpongeBob riding a jellyfish. It's so cute. In the back it says
Nickelodeon Jellyfish 3-pack lip gloss. Jumping jellyfish. Puckerfish won't have a thing on you with this set. Jelly jam packed with 3 tubes of lip gloss.
So let's open it up. I'm super happy that I have this. I was only going to get the SpongeBob palette, but my boyfriend said I could get these too, so thank you, babe. Anyways, so here are the lip gloss. So this blue one right here is called Coral number 5, and then this one, this shimmery gold one, is called Feeling Pineapple. It's super cute. I love it. And this last one, the pink coral shade, is called Stargazer. So that's what it looks like. Super pretty. I'm going to begin with swatching the palette. So this one right here is called
Tree Dome Bikini Bottom Blue. Best shade ever, Wumbo, Penny Pincher, Coral Floral, Angry Tentacles, Imagination, Meow Meow Meow, Jumping Jellyfish, Rock Bottom, Deep Sea Blue, Golden Pineapple, Blue Lagoon, and Advanced Darkness.
So here's a closer look of the palette. It's so freaking pretty. I can't wait to use these colors. I'm going to start swatching from left to right or right to left, I don't know. Let's begin. So there you have them. That's all of the shades. They're so freaking pretty. I feel like these two look the same. So this is the first and second row. They are so freaking pigmented, at least in the swatches. So I can't wait to see if they're really pigmented on my eyes. Super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be swatching the lip glosses. So first I'm going to start off with Coral number 5. And this is what the applicator looks like. I'm going to be swatching it here. So it has a really light tint of blue. It's not very pigmented and I really like that because I don't want to wear like bright blue lips. So it's super pretty. It doesn't really have a smell, so that's good, I guess. At least for me, because I get migraines if it's too strong. Now I'm going to be swatching Filling Pineapple. This one right here. This one also doesn't have a smell. And this is what the applicator looks like. Ooh, look at this one, so pretty. This one definitely has a gold tint. It's very shimmery. And now I'm going to be swatching the Stargazer. This is what the applicator looks like. This one doesn't have a smell either. Ooh, super pretty. So this one has a really light tint of pink. So here are all 3 shades. They're super pretty. I'm definitely going to be using these a lot. So yeah, I'm super happy that I got all of this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are also going to get the SpongeBob palette or if you guys are thinking about it. But I'm super happy with everything that I got. If you guys want to get it, I will leave a link in the description box because it is a limited edition. So if you guys want to get it, you guys have to get it now or else you're not going to be able to get it. But anyways, that is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.